of Radio Pallavi. Basat ki baat hai. Monsoon ready, Pallavi steady. Do you hear that? Tip, tip, tip. The rain has already started outside our studio. So let us welcome it properly. बादल गिर आया नील गगन में, धरती मुस्कुराई हरियाली का चमन में, बूंदों ने गाया प्रेम का गीत, सावन लाया खुशियों का जीत. This little umbrella is going to be my co-star today, because we're talking all about monsoon preparedness. I got 8 brilliant co-artists right here, so let us jump right in. So tell me, what is the funniest monsoon memory that you have?
Funny you ask. Last year I stepped out without umbrella because the sky looked clear. 5 minutes later, zoom, 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 it came pouring down. I was drenched from head to toe. My books were soggy and I sat through 2 periods in wet socks. That's the day I promised myself that this raincoat stays in my bag from June to September, no matter what the sky looks like.
Wait, wet socks for 2 whole periods? That sounds miserable.
Oh, it was. My shoes were going choo choo with every step. So here's my question for all of you listening. Have you ever been caught out like that? Never trust a clear sky. Always carry rain gear and avoid walking through flooded roads because you never know what's underneath them. Now over to our next RJ who has quite a health story to share.
Oh, I definitely do. 2 years ago, my younger cousin ended up with typhoid because she kept drinking water from roadside stalls during the monsoon. She ended up in the hospital for almost 10 days. The whole family was scared. It took weeks for her to fully recover. Typhoid sounds terrible, right? That's why I always say, simple things like avoiding street food, drinking boiled or filtered water, and even fresh home-cooked meals can protect us so much.
That reminds me something, but just as dangerous. Mosquitoes, boom, boom, boom. The sounds near to your ear at night. Does anyone hate it?
Oh, exactly. Everyone hates that sound. Last year, our entire colony had a dengue scare because there was a construction site nearby where water kept collecting in tires and buckets. 3 kids from my street got sick. And it really scared all of us. So here's a fun challenge for all of you. Go home today and check 3 spots where water might be collecting from. Flower pots, coolers, even bottle caps. You'll be surprised of what you find. I heard that Pallavi Pocharam does something serious during the monsoon.
I remember once during a heavy downpour, the area near our school gate started flooding. Sir, the water just kept running in, and within minutes, our school facilities team were out there cleaning drains and placed barricades so no one would step into deep water.
That's so responsible. Honestly, I have to admit into something after hearing that.
Oh, then go on.
I used to walk past blocked drains, not think twice, until one rainy day, a blocked drain near our house caused the entire street flood ankle deep. My school shoes were ruined. They were going chup chup every step. Until then, if I see any blocked drains, I'd go clean it if it's safe or report an adult immediately. And my gumboots, the best monsoon investment ever. And now I would even also carry a small towel in my bag. There's nothing worse than sitting with wet clothes all day. Learned that the hard way too. And over to our next subject. Manvi, I believe that there will be something interesting coming up.
Thank you. This sounds important. Last monsoon, there was exposed wiring near a waterlogged area close to my house. Thankfully, a neighbor spotted it and informed to the electricity department before anything went wrong. I also carried a small first aid kit in case of minor slips or injuries at monsoon. Never touch switches or wires with wet hands. And if you ever spot loose or exposed wire near your home or school, inform to an adult or a teacher immediately. Now, before we close, our next Ajay has something beautiful to say about nature. Over to you.
Right, thank you. Beyond all the precautions, monsoon really is nature's way of recharging the planet. My grandfather is a farmer, and he always says that the most awaited season for him is the monsoon. It decides the entire year's harvest.
Growing up hearing this made me respect the rain so much more. Let me leave you all with one last thought.
हर बूंदों में है जीवन का गीत, धरती से बादल की है प्रीत, संभल के रहो, संग खेलो पानी से, यह तो है सावन की कहानी से।
Alright, over to our last RJ to wrap up this discussion.
This is Urvija signing off. Everyone have a rain safe day. See you on the next Radio Pallavi. Thank you.